Welcome once again to Foodie Down Bronx. Make sure you stay connected to us on Instagram at BronxNetTV, at Foodie Down Bronx, and make sure to follow me at the Hungry Dominican. On today's show, our health and wellness correspondent, Mary Van Rose, will explore healthy food options at bars with Rosa Garcia of Mott Haven Bar and Grill. Then I'll sit with food educator and health advocate Marilyn Moore to learn more about her initiative called Divine Appetite. But before all that, let's do what we do at the top of every show. Let's get into this week's Chew News. Celebrity chef and philanthropist Jose Andres has been in Puerto Rico since the first of the two devastating earthquakes hit the island this week. Along with his World Central Kitchen, Andres has been able to serve out 10,000 meals to victims of the quakes. Some of you might recognize the chef from back in 2017 when Jose Andres took time out to head to Puerto Rico right after Hurricane Maria hit. To donate to Chef Jose's World Central Kitchen, visit donate.wck.org. And for a list of organizations mobilizing in Puerto Rico, visit mariafund.org/earthquake response. Thousands of pounds of carrots and sweet potatoes were dropped over New South Wales in an effort to feed the endangered species in the affected areas. Wallabies have lost a majority of their food sources, and an estimated 1 billion animals have been lost in the fires. For more information and to see how you can help, head over to wires.org.au. All right, folks, that is this week's Chew News, giving you a little food for thought. Foodie Down Bronx will be right back.